Open the transparent window on top of the portable bag. Check the battery level. Prepare fully charged batteries. Press the battery display button to check the battery level. Open the portable device compartment. Unfasten the adhesive securing the battery. Remove the battery that needs to be replaced. Press the battery display button to check the battery level. After confirming the need for replacement, start replacing the battery. Push aside the side latch at the power connection of the new battery. Open the battery socket. Turn the white connector with a mark on the power connection in the direction of the arrow. Pull out the power connector. Then push aside the side latch of the fully charged battery. Open the battery socket. Align the marked connector on the power connector with the battery interface mark. Insert smoothly without resistance and listen for the click sound. Press the battery display button to confirm the battery level. Place the replaced battery back into the portable bag. Secure the battery with the adhesive. Neatly organize the cables. Close the portable bag. Check and confirm the battery and device status through the controller. Complete the battery replacement.